Hey, welcome back. This video is how to make a luxurious golden cake that is coffee and dark chocolate flavored. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To start, sift the dry ingredients, the flour, cocoa, sugar, salt, baking powder and baking soda to a large bowl. Mix well with a whisk. Add the milk, oil, eggs and vanilla and mix again until well combined. Add the coffee and mix well again. Lastly, add the melted dark chocolate and mix again. Divide your mixture between two lined and greased cake tins and bake for 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. For the frosting, I just use a store-bought coffee frosting, but I'll leave a link to a really nice coffee frosting recipe that I've tried if you want to make it from scratch. Add a bit of frosting to your plate or cake board and stick down the first layer of cake. And yes, one layer may have fallen apart just a little bit, but just ignore that. To make sure the cake stays moist and to give it even more of a coffee flavour, brush your cakes with some freshly brewed black coffee. Cover this with frosting and stick down the second layer of cake and then cover everything with frosting. For decoration, I'm using gold Kit Kats for around the outside of the cake, but you can use any chocolate you want. And I'm also going to take some gold edible spray to make these look like gold bars. And then take your Kit Kats and stick them around the outside of the cake. And then take your gold sprinkles and cover the top of the cake with these. And that's pretty much it. You can use a ribbon if you want to keep them all in place, but I'm going to cut this right away anyway, so I'm just going to leave it. And as you can see, I was about 2 Kit Kat bars short, but I'm just going to cut the cake there and pretend that never happened. And anyway, I hope you liked this video and give it a go. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.